Hello and welcome back to Roto. Where the hell have I been? So I'm sure a few of you have noticed that I've been a little bit absent over the last few months. A lot of that really is down to what's been going on in the world. It's not been the best of times for everyone, and me included, my business has gone a little bit quiet. That's what this video is about, just to update you with what I've been doing on the channel and in the background over the last few months, planning and getting things ready for stage 2 of Roto. The last 12 months before COVID have been fantastic. The next 12 months are going to be even better. Now obviously I'm surrounded by a bunch of gear, all new things, lots of goodies that I want to go through over the next few weeks on the channel and just explain to you today what I'll be doing and the 2 new aspects of Roto and what exactly is going to be coming in the weeks ahead. Now I started as a photography and videography channel, mainly photography, mainly about weddings, and that's because I've been so busy with weddings over the last few years. That is the core business for me, and it was very easy for me to talk about gear, review, show real world samples and give you my opinion on how it worked on a commercial basis. Now I've got some things here that you've seen me use before, the Tamron, the 85mm Samyang, probably my most popular video in the last 12 months, and a few other bits and bobs, the 50mm 1.8, and a few little things there that you may not have seen on the channel yet, and those videos are coming soon, something to look out for. So if you see something here, especially the new little Samyang 75mm, and you think, what exactly was he doing with that? All will be revealed. A few other videos that are coming up, the Godox V1, which is a very, very good on-camera flash to accompany the 8200s, which again is one of my most popular videos in the way that I use flash on camera and off camera and what I can do with it. And hopefully you'll find that interesting as well. We've also got some Sony cameras for the lower budget options, starting with the A6400. I've got one with the kit lens and one without. The one without is actually mine, and that was something that I was using for a project, and one of the major videos I was going to produce this year now looks like it's going to have to wait at least 12 months, maybe longer. I was going to show you how I would approach starting a business now and what equipment I would use. I mean, nowadays you've got so much good gear, and this A6400, other than a few key features missing from an A7 III, and it's a crop sensor, is a fantastic camera. And some of the results I was able to get with that and some of the other bits of gear you'll see here, yeah, you'll be very, very impressed with what that can do. But we're going to change up the way we do it. It's going to be less weddings because there have been no weddings for the last 4 months, and I don't think there's going to be any weddings in the next 4 months either. We're going to change it up. There's a few different things we're going to do, and I am very keen to get some professional models in and to show you guys exactly what I can do with the gear in a little bit more of a relaxed format, going out and about on the streets, take some models and get some stunning images in and around Bristol, where I am in the UK. Now I do have some grand plans as well, but that's going to involve a little bit of expenditure, but also we're looking to take Roto to the next level and really put some effort and production into the videos. That will make it more engaging for you, but it will cost money. So one little thing we've been thinking to do with the channel is to offer competitions. Now we've done a few giveaways before on the channel, they've proved really successful, and we will continue to do that. But we're going to do some competitions where you'll buy a ticket, enter into the draw, as long as you answer the question correctly, and get yourself a chance to win some awesome camera gear. The brand new 75mm Samyang, my favourite Samyang, the 85mm 1.4, my favourite zoom, the Tamron 28-75, an A6400, an A6400 kit lens, and that's just for starters in the first month. But if they prove popular, we will be looking to do some really big competitions. We're looking A7 III, A7S III, which is something I'll talk about a little bit more in a video coming up soon, and even the Holy Trinity, the 17-28, the 28-75, and the 70-180. These 2 you haven't seen in the video yet, but they are coming up soon, and I will say they're phenomenal. All 3 of these lenses are phenomenal. They are the trilogy I think that you'd want to have. They'll get you out of pretty much any situation should you need it, and I would love to give a brand new set of these away to one of you guys. So with the competition side of things, we've just relaunched the Facebook page. We'll be putting up videos there, we'll be putting up content and details about the competitions there. So do head over, click the link below, like that page if you've got a chance to. Check out my Instagram, Matt from Roto. That is also going to have details of competitions with also some cool shots along the way of what I've been able to produce with these new bits of gear that I've acquired over the last few months. And the website. We have a brand new website, and that is where you can register your interest for the competitions, make an account, buy tickets for the competitions. Now, something I'm very keen to stress is the tickets will be good value. I'm not looking to sell 5,000 tickets and makes the odds impossible for anyone to really win. We will be looking at 500 tickets max for camera lenses and 1,000 tickets max for camera bodies themselves. Some of that may change when we offer our full trilogy, but the ticket price will also be low. £1, £2, £3 max for a ticket. That's the initial price that we're going with, and I think it's going to work really well. I have no idea how quickly those tickets will sell out, but more details will be on the website. Do go and check it out if you're interested. There's not much else I can really say on that. We will be doing a free giveaway to kick things off. All you need to do is go over to the website. You can pop your email address in to subscribe and we'll send out an email update to everyone. But you will need to like the Instagram page, like the Facebook page, and make sure you have an account on our website. Once you've done all those steps, you'll be eligible for the very first free giveaway. We are stepping things up a little bit. It's not going to be these lights, and I'm wearing orange just purely by coincidence, but obviously subliminally, so I can tell you that you'll be in for a chance to win the 50mm 1.8, the little nifty 50 from Sony. If you don't have it, I think it's worth having. Check out my video in the top corner there, and that will tell you a little bit more about it. I used it on a professional setting for a full wedding shoot along with other lenses, but the results I got from it were really good. Bang for buck. It's a great little lens. If you haven't got a prime yet, it's the one that's worth taking a closer look at. So I also mentioned at the very start, when we started this channel 18 months ago, I mentioned my love for cars, car photography, fun on four wheels, and that was something that I was going to introduce to the channel. It never really happened. I just got really busy with the wedding side of things. My own business and commercial side of things there just really took off as well over the last 12 months. Been doing it for a long time, but it's just been a really busy couple of years until the last few months. But I've had a chance to have some fun, and those videos of the fun with four wheels, fast cars, sporty cars, it's always been a passion of mine, and the photography and videography of those cars. It is still a photography and videography channel, not just people now. We will be looking at vehicles, and the way I shoot and produce those episodes should be of interest to quite a few of you, I hope. And if you like fast cars, even better. So I want to keep it short and sweet, but you can expect more news and reviews, gear, photography, videography, but along with the competitions and the cars, it's going to really take this channel to, without sounding corny, the next level. And I think there'll be a lot more exciting content, new videos, and a lot more for you to enjoy on the channel. So if you haven't already, please like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're kept informed of when the next videos are coming up. I'm Matt from Roto. Thanks again for watching. Be safe, be kind, be the best you can be.